In this video, I will show you how to connect to your own Qlik Cloud environment, navigate to your personal space, create a dashboard for today's session, and open it. First, open up a browser, put in the URL to your Qlik Cloud environment, enter your email address and your password, and click on Login to proceed. Once you are successfully authenticated, you'll be presented with your home screen. To go to your personal space, click on Explore. Under the All, click on the drop-down and select Personal. You'll be brought to your personal space. To create a new dashboard, click on the Add New button on the top right and select New Analytics App. Give a name to your dashboard and click on Create at the bottom right to proceed. This will create your dashboard and open it. Once your dashboard is successfully opened, you'll see this screen.